here at RideTime in Winnipeg. 2 locations. Signs out front still say Canada wide. Look for that to change soon. It's a 2011 black Dodge Ram Sport quad cab. Has a Hemi 4x4. Just a beautiful truck. Fog lights. Factory 20-inch chrome wheels. Hemi integrated turn signals. Color matched door handles and bumpers and grille. This truck does have power windows, power locks, power driver and passenger mirrors. It does have factory toe brakes, steering wheel controls, cruise control. We'll start this thing up. Uconnect for hands-free driving. It does have the navigation, Garmin navigation, pretty sweet. Has heated, red, cooled seats, air-conditioned seats in the summer, unbelievable. This truck is fully loaded, has a wall plug. Let's see if you can see the leather, what kind of condition the leather's in. It is a 2011, as I said. Leather's great. Dodge Ram floor mats. Does have a power rear sliding window. Let's go into the back. Power seats. Ram floor mats, as I said. It is black, obviously very, very popular color. We do need to get a box liner in it. Came without a box liner. Dual exhaust. Dodge Ram mud flaps. See if you can see that. Truck is beautiful. I don't know if you've seen our new website, RideTime.ca. Check out all our inventory on there. You can apply 24/7. We are A-rated with the Better Business Bureau. We are the highest rated dealer in Google Places in Winnipeg. 1-877-268-1006. We ship and deliver trucks and cars all the time across the country in qualifying deals. Give us a shout. RideTime.ca.